How to make a scrunchie. I cut my fabric 19 in width by 3 in height. Off to sew down the pieces along the short ends. Tuck in fabric lengthwise and sew all along the edge. Pull inside fabric as you go until you reach the start. Leave a small opening. You will use this to flip it inside out. I cut my elastic 11 inches long. Use a hairpin to poke through your elastic. Slide it through, making sure not to catch the inside seam. Tie your elastic ends. Using a single needle stitch, close off the opening by sandwiching the fabric together. Ta-da!